fruit. You're gonna have to move out of our station. Okay, so these are the ones we're gonna start today. We have lettuce, parsley, basil. Ooh, these are thick. Feel those? Cucumber, peppers, sweet peppers, broccoli rabe, and green onion. And then we're not gonna start our other ones today. Group! Those are the ones we're not gonna start today. We're gonna start those in the ground after our last frost. So, you wanna just say the ones we're gonna grow?
Jalapeno peppers, kale, dill, spinach, tomatoes, zucchinis, you got the carrots, and squash.
And we have cherry tomatoes too.
And cherry tomatoes.
So, this is our first time. So we don't really know what we're doing, kind of. We also have these little plant labels, so we know which ones are which. Alright, so let's get started. So the soil that we're using is ProMix. Recommendation is from M.I. Gardner. We pretty much follow everything that he says. This is true. And apparently ProMix is like a loose mix, so it's really good for seedlings, for their roots to grow through. How much pound bag do you think this is?
It is
It's gotta be like
yeah, it's like a 40-pound bag.
40-pound bag. It was like $30-40 on Amazon, so it's not too bad. We'll definitely be able to use this for like next year and the year after. That's for sure.
Alright.
So we can see the... Okay, so we have these filled. And now we're gonna plant. I think we're gonna do, we're gonna do multiples of some of them. So lettuce we're gonna do 2. Broccoli we'll do 2. Should we do 2 cucumbers? 2 peppers. I'm thinking for the herbs we'll just do 1 each.
Yeah.
Basil, parsley. We have 2 cilantros. And then onion we'll just do 1, you think?
Yeah. We have 50, so.
Yeah, we have a 50. We have a 50 cell tray. So, alright, let's just read the peppers. So, okay, we're gonna plant them. These ones, let's do. You could do them a 4th. This one's a deep seed. These are just normal. So we'll do these a 4th to an 1/8 inch deep.
Okay.
Do you want to just do them a 4th inch? Alright, measure a 4th inch on. Let me do it on your finger. And then, do you want to put your finger in? I'll put the seed in.
Yeah, we do it on your finger. Alright, so.
Because I have a smaller finger. So.
1/4 of an inch.
Yeah.
Is just the tip right here.
Right here?
Oh, yep.
Is it? Where?
Right where the line is, yep.
Right here?
Yep.
I feel like it's gonna be kind of hard. There we go.
And then which one is this one for?
So, yes.
We'll start with the broccoli?
Yeah. So start with broccoli. I need this. I spelled that wrong. I don't know. These are also like plastic. We should probably have a marker. What do we put in there?
Put a bunch, yeah. Just...
That's probably good, right? Alright, and then we'll cover. Hat. And then we'll stick in our...
Okay, and we're only doing one broccoli?
We'll do 2 broccoli.
Alright, so then what we should do is move this here, and then we'll know that both of these are
Smart.
broccoli.
Okay.
It's impossible to open.
We're just, we don't really know how many to put in. So we're putting like 6,
Yeah.
7.
Give or take.
So next is our sweet peppers.
How many are we of?
Let's do 2 of those.
2 of those, so we can
Because
do
your parents like those. So we'll do those. These literally are pepper seeds.
Doesn't pepper seeds grow peppers?
Interesting. I don't know if we should have did this many, but...
And we'll find out.
It doesn't say on the package, like, how many seeds to put in.
Yeah.
So I don't really know.
We'll guesstimate.
Okay, so...
Alright.
Peppers.
Lettuce next.
Yeah. Sweet. We really need a marker. These are plastic. So it, like, barely writes.
Alright, we'll write this later.
Okay, yeah, but for now you can see what it says. It's just, it needs to be... Okay, what are those?
This is lettuce.
Alright, lettuce is next. What do they look like? They look like, rat poops.
Like little, yeah, little rat poops or little bugs.
That's the crappiest thing I've ever written in my life. Okay. Lettuce. And next is
Onions.
green onions. I guess maybe we should do 2 of everything.
Yeah.
Because we have enough. Because we're not starting all those in here. So we might as well. I think we're just going to do 2 of everything. This is green onion. Okay. It's warm. It's getting warm out here. Next.
Parsley.
Parsley. I love parsley.
Parsley.
Parsley's so good.
They make these things impossible.
Okay, so parsley is next. Are we still recording? Yeah. Oh shit, I'm so sorry, Groot. Oh, I'm so sorry, Groot. I love you so much. Just kick me in the head.
Basil.
Basil. Italian large leaf basil, by the way. Next
Cilantro.
we have slow bolt cilantro. We could just come out and get cilantro for our tacos. Oh!
Look at those.
Those are large. Very large. Interesting. They look like little like nuts.
Oh, these are awesome.
Next we have, what is it?
Cucumbers.
Cucumbers. Okay, so these are the deep seeds. So, it was a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch. So should we do a 1/2 inch?
Yeah.
So I'll just go a little bit further then. cucumber. Alright, so that's it.
And that's it.
Alright, so we have 2 of each. I guess, no. We don't use all of them. The problem is that this is our first time, so we're not really sure like how many of each we're going to be able to fit, because we still have all those that we have to plant after the last frost.
Yeah.
So it's just kind of hard to gauge right now, so we're just going to do 2 of each for now of the seedlings, and then
Go from there.
we'll see how it goes. We're going to show you guys our setup when we bring these inside. We'll show you the grow light that we have, the heat mat that we have, and we'll just kind of show you our setup.
Alright, so let's take these seedlings inside.
Okay. Alright, so this is going to be our setup for our seedlings. So we just have a white table, and then this is our grow light. Again, we got, this is the one that M.I. Gardner recommended. M.I. Gardner is here on YouTube, so you can look him up if you are a beginning gardener. So this is the one we have. Grow light. Yeah, this is the one. And we did get, we have like a timer thing too that we're gonna plug into the wall so that the light will go on and off automatically. Let's see what it looks like. And you wanna make sure you get like a light that's for plants. Sorry, if that light keeps flickering, and it's just gonna keep doing that. So just ignore that. Thank you. Oh, that's so cute. Now this is our heat mat and digital thermostat combo. Again, from M.I. Gardner's recommendation. We got everything on Amazon, by the way. So this is the mat.
So, let's move this over here now. Alright, you want to put the tray down?
So the mat would go first. So the mat goes under, and then you'll lay this on here. I'm gonna do it this way, because we're not gonna put our cucumbers under the heat mat, because they're deep seeds. So we want to do it like right here, pretty much.
Alright.
Okay. Let me take it off the tripod. Okay, take number 3. This is our setup. We have our heat mat. We stopped it there for the cucumbers, and then we have our grow light, and then tomorrow morning we'll plug it in, and we have a timer that will plug into the wall so that it'll turn automatically on and off. And that's it. Alright, we'll see you in our next video. Right, Groot? Say hi to the camera, Scrooge. Wait.